Hi all, my name is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and today, as you're seeing the title and the thumbnail, what we're going to do here is I'm going to unbox and show you one of the best in-ear uh, headphones, earphones, whatever you can call it, for live streaming. And what are the important things we need for that? For a live streaming earphone is it should not be a bulky big one where it will be so big, or if it's black in color or anything over here which can be seen. But there are few earphones that's called in-ear earphones just made for the streaming purposes, which are available in the market, mostly ranging in an expensive bracket. But the earphone which I got today has all the features of an expensive earphone, but it's coming under a budget category. It's around 1,000 rupees. That's it. So I'm going to unbox the earphone and I'm going to show you each and every component of that. And the best advantage of that is it's transparent also. So when you put it around your ear, it can just vanish away from the side. So let's go ahead and unbox that earphone for you, and I'll show you that. So let's start. Okay guys, so this is the Amazon box which I've got with the earphone over here. So I'm just going to unbox it. What all is available with the earphone is the pouch in which you can keep the earphones. So that is available. I already checked it while buying the product, so I'll just keep that aside. And the bill is there. And you have the bubble wrap so that it's safe. And if you see this pouch, it's a very comfortable pouch. You can even see how shiny it is inside, and you have a separate compartment over here to keep the earphones. Once I show you the earphones, you'll be able to know why that compartment is given. So this is the earphone. It is called as EDX Pro. You can see this clearly. It's called as EDX Pro. This is one of the best earphones which is available over there within 1,000 rupees budget. With discount you will even get for cheaper, because the rest of the earphones which look like this, the transparent body with the earphones, in-ear earphones, are kind of expensive. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So as you see, as soon as you unbox it, you'll be amazed that it's packed like this. So what do you expect from this? So once you remove this cover, you see there's another packaging like this. It comes, and there is the earphone and the pamphlet. And this little thing is the actual earphone which you have bought. And in this packet, you have, let me just plug this. Okay, there is the location. Sealed it covered. Open it up. And so that you know, this is an imported headset which has come over here. And what you have over here is two pairs of earbuds, the ear comforter buds over here. Two pairs of that is given along, so that even if you lose one, you can use the other. this is the main earphone, and even this has the earbud in it. So you have totally four earbuds extra, and you have two over here. And if you see, it's crystal clear, and you have a opening over here where you can go ahead and fix in the wire. And that wire, okay, this pamphlet is there over here. You just take out the cello, and you'll be able to see how it's being given. To be said, I hate this breadcrumb bit, because while you go ahead and unbox, half the time goes away only taking the breadcrumbs out of the total package. Okay. So if you see this, this is a complete transparent earphone in here, and if you see here in the corner, you have the pins for that. Both the sides you have the pins, which are supposed to go. So let me just check the polarity of left and right over here. So if you see, this gets fixed like this inside the earphone. Simple, very simple. The other one also goes like. Okay, so this is the earphone. This model has even a mic in it, because I'm not going to use the mic, but I do have a mic in it, and this is total transparent earphone. So this is ready now, and you get it at Amazon. From where I got it for just about. Let me check the price. 1050 something. You get it at Amazon, and if you do have an offer, you'll be getting it for lesser price also. So now let's go ahead and check how it looks when you wear this earphone. So let me go ahead and put this in one ear. Okay, I think so. The other one has to come in this ear. So let me try that. Yeah, I was right about that. So this would go over the ear like this. So one earphone is set over here. And as I told you, this is a professional one which you can use for your gaming, or you can use for recording of videos in YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Also for live, you can use it. So as you see, this comes like this, and it just goes from your backside. And down you'll be able to go ahead and connect it to your speaker or anything. For example, I can show you how I'm going to connect it. So I have a wire like this. It's an extension wire for my headphone. What I'll do is, behind I have this wire over here. I will just connect it. So I will be able to hear if I'm on a call, or if I'm streaming live, and if somebody is asking anything or any comments or anything like that, or if I'm using StreamYard or any other app like that, and we are having guests over there, you'll be able to use that. And if you see this clearly, it doesn't look bad also. It's about total transparent over here. So, and it goes behind your neck and it's totally out of the picture. So this is one of the best streaming earphones which you can use. Even for playing games, you'll be able to use this without any problem. So I'm very happy to show you this because I had seen a earphone like this before some time called as Me Me something. I don't know what is it, M1 or something like that. And that came around 8,000 to 14,000 rupees. And I was wanting a earphone like this. 14,000 is a lot of money for just a earphone for streaming. So I waited till the time I could go ahead and get a earphone for a normal price. My budget was maximum of 2 to 3K. That's it. But I got it for 1,000, and it's an invisible earphone. What else do you require when you go ahead and stream videos or when you're in a live stream or anything? So this was a blessing for me. And if you did like this earphone, please like and press the like and share the videos with your friends so that even they'll be able to buy this on Amazon. And if you have any comments or any questions regarding how you can buy this, what is the name and everything, it's called as EDX Pro. But if you want more info, please leave a comment below so that I can go ahead and give you the complete information regarding this. Until next time, this is Kamal Tech Vlog, and my name is Kamal, and you have a wonderful day there.